Have you ever wondered why some price hikes make you stop buying a product while others do not? That is price elasticity at work. In economics, elasticity measures how much the quantity demanded of a good changes when its price changes. Think of the number 1 as a benchmark. It helps businesses and economists understand consumer sensitivity to price shifts. Several factors dictate whether a product is elastic. Are there other options available, or is the item a daily necessity? Elastic goods see big swings in demand when prices move. Inelastic goods like medicine see steady demand regardless of price. This chart shows how a 10% price increase impacts demand. Luxury cars see a sharp drop, while gasoline demand stays relatively flat. Understanding this concept helps you identify why prices fluctuate and how your own spending habits reflect broader economic trends. Thanks for joining us. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more breakdowns of financial concepts. Educational content, not financial advice.